Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a proxy using the Clonbrowser anti-detect browser. Let's get started. The first method is employed when setting up a proxy during profile creation. Navigate to the Proxy tab. In Mode, select Custom. The parse option is used for automatic parsing of the entered proxy URL. If you enter a proxy server in the specified format and press Parse, the system will automatically split the address into the appropriate fields: protocol, host, port, username, and password. Alternatively, you can enter these details manually. You can also set expiry time and leave remark. After you complete all other profile settings, click Create Browser. The second method is used if a profile is already created. In the Browser tab, navigate to the profile settings by clicking on the three dots on the left in the Edit section, and configure or change your proxy settings following the instructions from method number 1. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.